Formatting text. Introduction. Formatted text can emphasize important information and helps to organize your document. In Word, you have several options for adjusting the font of your text, including size, color, and inserting special symbols. You can also adjust the alignment of the text to show how it is displayed on the page. To change the font size, Step 1. Select the text you want to modify. Step 2. Click the drop-down arrow next to the font size box on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the desired font size from the menu. Alternatively, you can type the value you want and then press Enter on your keyboard. To change the font face. Step 1. Select the text you want to modify. Step 2. Click the drop-down arrow next to the font box on the Home tab. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the various fonts. A live preview of the font face will appear in the document. Step 4. Select the font face you want to use. The change will be reflected in the document. To change the font color. Step 1. Select the text you want to modify. Step 2. Click the font color drop-down arrow on the Home tab. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the various font colors. A live preview of the color change will appear in the document. Step 4. Select the font color you want to use. The font color will change in the document. To highlight text. Step 1. From the Home tab, click the Text Highlight Color drop-down arrow. The Highlight Color menu appears. Step 2. Select the desired color. Step 3. Select the text you want to modify. It will then be highlighted. Step 4. To switch back to the normal, click the No Color command. To use the bold, italic, and underline commands. Step 1. Select the text you want to modify. Step 2. Click the bold, italic, or underline command in the font group on the Home tab. To change text case. Step 1. Select the text you want to modify. Step 2. Click the Change Case command in the font group on the Home tab. Select the desired case option from the list. Sentence case option to capitalize the first character of every selected sentence. Lowercase option to display all the selected words in lowercase. Uppercase option to display all selected words in full capital letter. Capitalize each word option to put a leading cap on each selected word. Toggle case option to changes all the words in lowercase to uppercase. The words in uppercase changes to lowercase. Text alignments. There are 4 types of paragraph alignment available in Microsoft Word. Left align, center align, right align, and justified. Left aligned text. A paragraph's text is left aligned when it is aligned evenly along the left margin. To align left. Step 1. Click anywhere on the paragraph you want to align and click the Align Text Left button available on the Home tab, or simply press the Ctrl+L keys. Center aligned. Paragraph's text will be set as center aligned if it is in the center of the left and right margins. To align center, click anywhere on the paragraph you want to align and click the Align Text Center button available on the Home tab, or simply press the Ctrl+E keys. Right aligned text. A paragraph's text is right aligned when it is aligned evenly along the right margin. To align right, click anywhere on the paragraph you want to align and click the Align Text Right button available on the Home tab, or simply press the Ctrl+R keys. Justified text. A paragraph's text is justified when it is aligned evenly along both the left and the right margins. To align justified, click anywhere on the paragraph you want to align and click the Align Text Justify button available on the Home tab, or simply press the Ctrl+J keys. Apply text effects. Microsoft Word provides a list of text effects which add and beauty to your document, especially to the cover page or the headings of the document. It is very simple to apply various text effects by following two simple steps. Step 1. Select the portion of text that you want to change to a bold font. Step 2. Click the text effect button to display a list of effects including shadow, outline, glow, reflection, etc. Try to move your mouse pointer over different effects and you can see the text effect will change automatically. You can select any of the text effect available by simply clicking over it. Create bullets. Microsoft Word provides bullets and numbers to put a list of items in a nice order. Create a list for existing text. This is very simple to convert a list of lines into a bulleted or numbered list. Step 1. Select a list of text to which you want to assign bullets or numbers. Step 2. Click the bullet button triangle to display a list of bullets you want to assign to the list. You can select any of the bullet style available by simply clicking over it. Step 3. If you are willing to create a list with numbers, then click the numbering button triangle instead of the bullet button to display the list of numbers you want to assign to the list. You can select any of the numbering style available by simply clicking over it. Set line spacing. Line spacing is the distance between two lines in a Microsoft Word document. You can increase or decrease this distance as per your requirement. Spacing between lines. Following are the simple steps to adjust spacing between two lines of the document. Step 1. Select the paragraph or paragraphs for which you want to define spacing. Step 2. In the Home tab, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button triangle to display a list of options to adjust space between the lines. You can select any of the option available by simply clicking over it. Spacing between paragraphs. You can also set distance between two paragraphs. Step 1. Select the paragraph or paragraphs for which you want to define spacing and click the paragraph dialog box launcher available on the Home tab. Step 2. Click the before spinner to increase or decrease the space before the selected paragraph. Similar way, click the after spinner to increase or decrease the space after the selected paragraph. Step 3. Finally, click the OK button to apply the changes. Add borders to text. Following are the simple steps to add border to any text or paragraph. Step 1. Select the portion of text or paragraph to which you want to add border. Step 2. In the Home tab, click the border button to display a list of options to put border around to the selected text or paragraph. Step 3. You can select any of the option available by simply clicking over it. Step 4. Try to add different borders like left, right, top or bottom by selecting different options from the border options. Add borders to page. We can add borders of your choice to Word pages by following the steps given below. Step 1. In the Home tab, click the border button to display a list of border options. Step 2. Select the border and shading option available at the bottom of the list of options as shown in the above screenshot. This will display a border and shading dialog box. This dialog box can be used to set borders and shading around the selected text or page borders. Step 3. Click the Page Border tab, which will display a list of border settings, styles and options, whether this border should be applied to the whole document or just one page or the first page. Step 4. You can use the Preview section to disable or enable left, right, top or bottom borders of the page. Step 5. You can customize your border by setting its color, width by using different art forms available under the Style section. Step 6. Click OK to set the page border.